Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you my brand new Targa top I just purchased. I'm going to check out the best deal on this top. Check out the links down in the description below this video or even in the comment section below this video. But these roughly go for around $2,000. Sometimes you can find a better deal for a little less than $2,000. But this is a transparent one, and I also have a carbon fiber one that came with the vehicle, and the side parts right here are painted the same color as the body paint. So I'm just gonna show you what it looks like real quick from the outside and then show you the inside. But this is what it looks like from the top. It almost looks like it's black, but it's actually tinted. So this is it from the front here. And let me open it up real quick. So this is what it looks like from the inside. And what I like about it the most is, like I said, it's transparent. It is tinted, so when you're out in the sun, it doesn't feel as hot as you'd think it would be. And it also has the standard 3 latches, so you have the 2 in the front right here, and then you have the 1 in the middle in the back part right there. This one also has the plastic finish in the middle, and it has this kind of suede Alcantara finish on the left and right sides. All right, now to quickly show you my other Targa top. So this one right here is the one I was showing you that came with the vehicle. It has a carbon fiber finish on the top, and then it has the same paint color as the body of the vehicle. When I flip it over on the underside, this is what it looks like right here. You can see it has some nice stitching and the same kind of suede finish as the left and right sides. So this is all kind of suede Alcantara, and it has plastic in the middle on the top and bottom, and then the same latches as the other Targa top that's transparent. So before I take it outside, I just want to show you how transparent it is and just garage lighting. So you can see how, I don't know if you can see my hand there, but it's tinted, but you can still see inside the vehicle. So let's open up the garage, start the engine up. Oops, push the brake. So this is what it looks like right here. You can see how it has a really cool view of everything. It's almost like one of those Jeeps or one of those Teslas with the transparent top on it. So let me put my seatbelt on, and we'll pull it forward real quick so you can see the sunlight on it. It's a really nice bright sunny day. And look at that, you can see the sun. And like I said, it gives you a really nice view from the inside of the vehicle. It does let a lot of light in, so if you don't like a lot of light and you want more privacy, I wouldn't get this top. But if you like the sense of openness, I definitely highly recommend this top. So I'll also show you real quick once I park it what it looks like now from the inside and outside with the sun on it. So again, this is with the sun out, and this is what it looks like from the outside. You can kind of see my hand way better now. Just gonna take a quick little cruise with the transparent top so you can get an idea of how much light gets into the vehicle. So it's a very, very sunny day. You can see the seats have a lot of light. This is what it looks like from the top. And the side view. Wish I had a 360 camera. I need to invest in one of those. But for right now, you can kind of get a good idea of what kind of view you'll get with this transparent Targa top. So I'm doing a little bit of night driving so you can see what it looks like. That's the Targa top, that's transparent. You can pretty much see anything that has light. So just pull up at this gas station because it has some pretty good lighting, but this is what the Targa top looks like. And I'm looking right through it right now. Well, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed my quick little overview on this transparent Targa top on my C8 Corvette. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you for watching.